Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to print from Airtable. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Airtable, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Printing from Airtable involves exporting your data or using your browser's print functionality to generate a physical or PDF copy of your records. Right? So, for example, just go to the Airtable base that you are working with. In my case, and this is going to be this file. I'm going to the home page for now. And I'm going to print this data. Okay? Now, go to the view options because from here you have the collaborative, rename, edit view, duplicate, and download CSV plus the print view option. You see, you have the paper size. You can use the tabloid, legal, statement, executive. So it's all up to you, all right? Depending on your preferences and needs. This is going to be the browser's print function, all right? Now, from here, you can also choose the portrait or even a landscape option. In field sizing, you can use the fit to page width or actual size. And the font size could be extra small, small, normal, large, extra large. And you have all of these functionalities such as add view, name as title, include row numbers, and you can create completely custom print layouts with the page designer extension. I'm going to click on it because from here you can use this extension. With the page designer app, you can create your own invoices, business card, catalogs, real estate future sheets, casting sheets, and more using the data directly from your records. All you have to do is click this add extension. All right, and you would be forwarded here wherein you're going to be in the status of that. Now you have more control on the print dialog. All right, you can choose the table as a content creation topics. Is it going to be that? Would you like that? Or maybe video uploader, lookup source, or the grid view, depending of course on your preferences. You can use again the letter, business card, if you want to have more control. For example, you can put in the certain values here if you wanted and click on done. Now you can edit the layout that you want. You can put in some text right here. For example, I'm going to put in some text and I can drag this right here. All right, put in an image right here. And you can go to the record, next record. So there's a lot that you can work with the page designer. You see, when you are done editing, all right, you can simply click this print option again. You have the current record, records in specific view. Of course, we're looking always for the best image quality when printing. All right. You have the custom size, and once you're happy with it, click on print, and you would be forwarded here on this option wherein you have another control. You can save as PDF if you wanted to have a backup copy. But of course, you can directly go to the Microsoft Print to PDF. You have more options such as, are you going to print all of the pages, or odd pages only, even pages only, or even custom. For example, only print from pages 1 to 5, page 8 only, or page 11 to 13. You can use the color of black and white, and of course the color. And if you hover to the more settings, you can choose again the tabloid, legal, statement, executive, A3, and a lot. You can choose the pages per sheet if you're working with multiple data here inside the Airtable. You have the margins, maximum, none, and custom. All right, you can put in a scale on default. And you have the options to put in the headers and footers and the background graphics. Once you are happy with that, all they have to do is click on print, and that's how you print from Airtable. Now, when you go to the Airtable templates, for example, I'm hovering to the template of the content creation, and that's going to be under media, and entertainment. All right. I'm going to choose the template that I wanted, and I wanted to print this from Airtable. I'm always looking for the digital video production because here we are a group of individuals who work on our Deep Laughs channel. Of course, we are here to help you solve your problems. One is responsible for creating the content, one is responsible for uploading the video, one is creating these amazing thumbnails, and of course, one is handling all the back-end stuff. Now, of course, we're going again to the templates wherein I'm going to have a schedule for the digital content creation. Now, I'm going to use this specific template. I'm gonna click on it, and then from here, you see, I'm going to add a base, and it's gonna create a template for me. All right. Now, I'm going to rename this as the Deep Laughs. Right, Deep Laughs digital. Yeah, video production is okay. Now, since I'm happy with all of this information, I'm going to print this view again. And from here, we can do all of these. But earlier, we opted for the page designer extension. Now, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to the extension as well. All right. Go into extension. I'm going to add another extension. I'm going to type in print, and I'm going to add the designer. I'm going to click on it and add the extension. While it's loading, you see, I'm going to be able to have more control on the page design for this template right here. Just wait for it to load. Now you would be forwarded here on this section. Now, I'm not gonna print this for now. I'm going to save it as a PDF and work with it with another platform. I'm going to include the headers and footers, and from here I'm going to click on save. Now I'm switching over to my Canva account, and I'm going to upload the file that was printed as a PDF on Airtable. Because from there I can create a new design, right? I'm gonna choose the file, and from here, just wait for it to load, right? The idea is for printed reports and documents that can easily be shared. Basically, printing the table or printing any file here from Airtable can have a significant impact, especially it's useful for clients, partners, or team members who need a hard copy of data for reviewing or decision making. So this is going to be the file that has been exported, and from here I'm going to edit this, right? I'm going to have this shared to people if you wanted for different members or different clients or collaborators. I can download that, but I'm going to open a new tab instead, and from here I can of course tweak it. All right, for example, I'm gonna add another page here at the bottom, so there's a lot width. I'm going to add another file. I'm going to click on upload, and I'm going to click on another file here, and from here, this is basically the idea of printing from Airtable, of course, tweaking that data to your needs. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.